Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, I'm out in the front yard. This isn't going to be a front yard video. It's supposed to rain and storm and tornado watches, and you know, it's one of those days where you're like, I don't even want to go out to work, but I'm going to go out to work. Today's video is actually going to be about a Jeep. My wife Jennifer has her own hair salon, and there's another girl that has a salon next to her named Andrea, and she decided that she wanted a Jeep also after seeing all the Jeeps that are driving around, and they're so cool and everybody wants one. So she goes out and looks for one, and she goes and buys it. Now, I would say this, why didn't she come see me so I could go help her look for this Jeep? But she didn't. She bought the Jeep, and this is the video of me looking at the Jeep, and there was a minor repair, so let's take a look at what's going on with Andrea's brand new Jeep. Hey, what are we doing here today, woman? Look, she's getting mad at me. Huh? She brings me in and then she doesn't even want to be on camera. What's up with that? Huh? Tell me.
This is going on YouTube, by the way, guys. Oh, yay. They want to be on film.
Yeah. Her hair looks beautiful, honey. What do you think?
Yeah.
It really does.
It does.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Redneck Garage action! Alright, I'm going out to look at the Jeep. Alright, here's her Jeep she bought. Got the top off and everything. It's not bad. She bought it from a dealer. At least they could have washed it and buffed it out, huh? Well, could have touched that up. Can't read this. What is it? It is a 2004, and you can kind of tell because it's got a round bezel around the radio, and it's got the updated dash in it. But she says when you put the key in it, the key won't release. So we're going to take a look at that. Okay, I can see there's some wear here, but when I'm pushing the button, it doesn't want to release all the time. Right there, see, it's jammed. Here's the retainer for the key switch right here, and it pushes in and out, and all I can really do is lubricate it. We'll see if that helps it. Sometimes it will. It felt like it was up in here hanging a little bit. So I'll lubricate it and see if it feels any better. You can see that's hanging a little bit, a little rust on it, so I'll lubricate that. And look at here. You know I'm working on a Jeep because I'm bleeding. Supposedly it's only got 82,000 miles. It's got the 4.06 cylinder in it. Really pretty clean though, truthfully. Looks good. Looks nice. Doesn't look like it's ever been wrecked in the front. The interior is pretty good. It's got some sun damage, looks like. Overall, it's nice. I'm going to find out what she paid for it. You can tell she bought it from a dealership because it's got temporary tags on it. Ooh, University Motors. If you're looking at a Jeep and you're looking at to buy a used one, if you see the VIN stickers here and it matches, then you know it's not been in a wreck and it's original. Both fenders have that on it, and it has the catalyst sticker. So I'd say this is a pretty clean old Jeep. Alright, I've lubricated everything. I'm putting the cover back on, and we'll see what happens with that. You can tell it's a Southern Jeep. I mean, this frame is pristine, looks brand new. There's no rust whatsoever on it. There's no rust whatsoever on it like you find in some of your northern Jeeps. Probably still could do some treatment on it. You can see it's got a little surface rust, but other than that, man, this thing is really, really nice. Alright, so I got the skinny on her Jeep. She paid $14,000 for it. It's got 80,000 miles, and she bought it from a little used car dealership around here. Now, it's got really low miles. It's the 6-cylinder, probably, I think it's the last year, or one of the last years for the 4.0s. No rust whatsoever that I can see. So it is a really nice TJ. But I wouldn't buy anything from a dealership. Alright, here's my thoughts on the Andrea Jeep thing. First of all, I hope she doesn't have any more problems with the key coming out. Lubing it up there may just be the trick to be able to fix it. If not, it's going to be a cable or something else in there. I didn't get real deep into it because it was working fine when I left. I guess my other thoughts are is if you know somebody that knows a lot about Jeeps, you might want to take them to a car dealership with you to look at the Jeep, because I promise you there'd be a couple things that I would address. First of all, even though the Jeep is in great shape, I wouldn't run a Carfax on it to make sure that it actually does have 80,000 miles on it, because that's going to jack the value up. Secondly, I promise I could have gotten a better deal than her just walking in and paying what they asked for it, because that's what she did. I guess thirdly is I would have made them at least wash it and detail it if I was going to pay $16,000 for that old of a Jeep. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's a beautiful Jeep. She loves it, so that's all that really matters, isn't it? I got some more videos coming up of the front freaking yard, patio, all kinds of stuff. I got some Jeep videos of Old Blue here. Keep watching, man. I appreciate you being a subscriber. Any questions, comments, post them below. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.